Engines are the soul of every machine. It's where it all begins. Power, the thrill, the passion and the adrenaline. I've always been surrounded by engines. 2 strokes of 4, thumpers, twins and those big bores. I love listening to what they have to say and helping them get better when things aren't going their way.
Hi, I'm Joshua from jcMoto, and I'm going to be fixing and building motorcycles, like I always have. But this time around, I'm going to be filming the process, so you can learn from me. So if wrenching on motorcycles is your idea of fun, stay tuned.